We turn to the crisis now at the southern border. Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas is defending the Biden administration's policies. Officials at the border dealing with a surge this weekend after Title 42 was lifted this week. Tonight, ABC's M. Nguyen has more details.
Many had predicted a surge of migrants as Title 42 came to an end last week. But DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas says they have seen an approximately 50% drop in the number of people at the southern border compared to before the Trump-era public health policy expired.
There is a safe, lawful, and orderly way to reach the United States and seek humanitarian relief, and that is through the lawful pathways that we have expanded under President Biden's leadership.
For those migrants now arriving at the border, new restrictions are in place. Non-Mexican migrants are required to first apply for and be denied asylum in another country, and they will have to make an appointment at a port of entry on the CBP One app. If those rules aren't followed, they could be removed and not allowed to enter the U.S. for at least 5 years.
Fortunately, I think a lot of immigrants are heeding the advice and trying to do what they're supposed to do legally. So the numbers are not what was initially predicted.
The ACLU has announced it's suing the Biden administration over these new border policies, calling them unlawful. Meanwhile, a federal judge in Florida ruled migrants cannot be released from border facilities without a formal notice to appear in court. The Biden administration calls the judge's ruling harmful.
When, in fact, our Border Patrol stations become overcrowded, it is a matter of the safety and security of people, including our own personnel, not just the vulnerable migrants, to be able to release them.
The Department of Justice's request for a restraining order on that ruling was denied. The department is now expected to appeal the 11th Circuit for an emergency stay. M. Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.